In this video, I'm going to share with you how to become a loan officer and catapult to success as a rookie LO by sharing with you the top 3 massive mistakes to avoid that most loan officers do just by accident. So if you want more information, just click on the link below and grab my free guide. It'll be in the description. Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I literally wrote the book on mortgages. In fact, I'm the #1 best-selling author of How to Get Approved for the Best Mortgage Without Sticking a Fork in Your Eye. And when I first got into this business about 18 years ago, my boss told me, you're not gonna make any money the first 6 months. And then the second 6 months, you'll make as much money as you did the whole year before. And I had a very lucrative 6-figure career, and I thought, oh, that sounds great. So what I really like to specialize in now is helping loan officers skip that first 6 months and get up and running in 90 days as fast as possible. So you're in the right place. So I want to share with you, there are several mistakes that I've made as a loan officer and then in sales. I had a career in radio sales before that. So hopefully you'll learn these and you won't make these mistakes and you'll be up and running way quicker than I was. So the first mistake that loan officers make is don't act like you know it all, okay? Because obviously you don't, but then don't act like you know nothing, right? So you really want to find that fine line of balancing where you're not cocky and you're going to make a mistake, and then also you don't know what you're doing at all, right? So it's a psychological balance. The great news is that you, even though you are a rookie, you definitely can have the confidence because you have a whole team behind you to share with people that you can get their mortgage done for them, right? People can tell when you're not being truthful with them. You know, you don't have to let everybody know you're a rookie, but there's no harm in saying, I need to do some research and get back to you. Because this whole team you have supporting you, you should have a manager, a sales manager, a branch manager, you should have a processor, an underwriter, a closer, these other people on your team supporting you with industry knowledge so that you can get the answers that you need so you can get back to your clients and get deals closed, okay? And also, mortgage guidelines are changing daily. It's almost impossible to know everything all the time. So even with my 18 years plus of experience, there are changes all the time that I need to check on, and I would rather set the proper expectation for that client. I want to make sure that I know exactly what's going on and give them the correct information than just say something off the cuff and give them incorrect information, because that absolutely does not build trust. And trust is so important. Number 2 mistake that rookie loan officers make, and actually salespeople in general, is they take things for granted, okay? Don't do that. Don't take anything for granted. Be grateful. I find this is an amazing practice in my life as well as my mortgage business as well. So it can be anything, you know, whether it's someone in your office that helps you with a loan, if you have about underwriting or how to put something in your loan software, or somebody in tech helps you, or a realtor or a friend sends you a referral. Thank those people. Take the appropriate time to let them know that you appreciate them and what they did for you. And me, I write thank you notes all the time. I thank somebody, and then I usually do a handwritten thank you note and drop it in the mail. And that could be for my tech team that's supporting me if I have a tech issue with our software, or my supervisors, or my strategic partners, my clients, and especially don't take your clients for granted. Remember that buying a home, whether you're doing purchase or refinance, it's their home. And buying a home is typically the single largest investment that anyone makes in their entire lifetime. And that client chose you. So don't take that for granted. Number 3, how to set proper expectations. Most rookie loan officers are so excited that they want their loan to close that they don't set proper expectations. That can be for a loan closing, that can be for a pre-approval, that can be for a timeline milestone, whether when that loan's going to come out of underwriting or when that loan's going to get the clear to close. So there are so many different pieces. I can't say enough about properly setting expectations, because this, just like the other 2 pieces, builds on trust. And trust is how you're going to get referrals, free business referrals from your clients and your strategic partners. So it's critical to always under and over deliver. Because again, buying a home is not only the single largest investment, it's the most stressful time in a person's life or a couple's life or a family's life. They have so much going on. So it's important to clearly set expectations and set yourself up to over deliver. For example, don't tell your client that their pre-approval will be done in 2 hours if it's not going to be. So if I have 4 applications come in last night, I'm going to let those clients know I got 4 applications in. Yours is third in line. I should get to it around noon today between my other appointments, and I will go through it thoroughly, and I will give you a call around 1. And then I call it and I just call them and discuss it with them. And so for my business also, I prioritize purchase over refi, and then purchase with a contract versus pre-qual that they might go shopping in a few days. That's even higher. So, you know, if I got 4 deals and 2 of them have contracts, those 2 are going first based on the order that closing date is. So, and I let them know. So I always let them know by setting clear expectations. So it sets me up to under promise and over deliver. So again, if I say I'm going to call them at noon between, you know, or whatever, 1 and 1:30, I'm going to call them at 1. And then, you know, it's going to keep going from there. Our turn times are, you know, if our turn times are 48 hours for initial underwrite, I might say that our turn times are 72. And if we come out in 48, I'll give you a call. When it comes out in 48 hours, I give them a call. So I'm always ahead of the game and building trust with that client. So those are the 3 keys. You absolutely, you know, don't want to come off too cocky or too weak. You want to balance your knowledge and your confidence with the team behind you. Don't take anyone for granted. Always be grateful. And the last, a lot of rookie LOs fail to set expectations because they get excited. Like it's a natural thing to do. However, you want to set clear expectations that allow you to under promise and over deliver. So I'd love to hear your comments, questions below. Go ahead and subscribe and share.